You should be able to do this project at home during quarantine because all you need are these three things: a sponge, everybody has a sponge, a rag, this can be an old t-shirt, piece of blanket, whatever, and WD-40, man's best friend. Back to another video. Today we are here with a mini Chewy the Wookiee tutorial. We want to go from these rims to these nicely shiny rims, and we're going to use a sponge, WD-40, and a rag. Let's get to it. Okay, so what we're going to do is quite easy. We're going to take the WD-40 and we're going to just spray it here on the inside, because what it's going to do is it's going to like loosen up all the dirt and rust spots, and also act as a lubricant for this. After a lot of discovering, I found out that this works better than this. Big surprise, because it has a rough side. What you're going to do is just all around, you're just going to brush it up. Now some spots are going to need more brushing because there's like rust that is embedded a little bit into the metal. But the idea is that this will just take it off together with the WD-40 and just loosen up all the grit and rust. And then we'll clean it off with the rag. Now, as you may see over here, there's still rust spots, and that is because you have to do it more than once. I know, beautiful tutorial right here. And of course the rim will also need to be done again, so I'm going to do that real fast. Very well, as you can see, it's now super shiny, and it's all ready to be used in a little project I have for tomorrow. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like down below and maybe consider subscribing. And now there'll definitely be more car type videos around now, because due to the quarantine I have more time to actually make them. However, I'm also going to try and make more animated stories because I like animated stories.